The Galaxy S25 is dropping sometime late next month, and it looks like the buzz is already building. A teaser for Samsung's upcoming flagship has leaked ahead of the official announcement, giving us a sneak peek at some cool design changes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, is set to make a big splash with some fresh updates, including rounder corners, a big shift for the S-series look. Thanks to EvLeaks, we've got a glimpse at the teaser image, which reveals the official Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event will happen in January 2025. This tease is linked to an Italian event, but it doesn't directly mention the next S-series phone. However, if you zoom in on the image, you'll spot 4 mysterious devices. They're pretty hard to make out, but the hints are there. We can see the front, sides, and corners, and the device is positioned in a way that makes the light peek through the middle. It also shows us the front and rear sides, including the camera bump and display, but whether this means 4 different devices or just one is still up in the air. Samsung usually teases a flagship, though, so we're betting on the Galaxy S25 Ultra being front and center here. In the meantime, we've seen the Galaxy S25 Ultra in leaked photos and videos, and it's looking sleek with ultra-thin bezels around the display, slimmer than the Galaxy S24 Ultra and on par with other top-tier flagships. A new leak has even claimed that the S25 Ultra will have the thinnest bezels of any phone on the market, beating out even the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 15. That's huge news for Samsung fans. As for the color options, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 4 sleek shades: black, blue, gray, and white. The black variant rocks a black back cover with a silver frame, while the blue version has a light blue back with a silver frame that has a touch of blue. The white variant features a white back cover with silver, and the gray option has a gray back with a hint of gold, paired with a matching frame. With all these color choices and that stunning design, the S25 Ultra could be one of the best-looking smartphones out there when it launches. So, what do you think? What are your expectations for the S25 Ultra? Are you excited for the upcoming Unpacked event? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.